Hey guys, welcome back to Wood Street Farm. I'm Phil, and if you've been following along for a little while, you may have seen recently over the course of this past summer, we didn't video much, and that's because we were putting it in this house on the farm, and just with all the pressure of putting in the house and the time crunch associated with it, I didn't film much of anything, but I did find a video card with a bunch of footage of us building the retaining wall behind this house, so I wanted to put together this video for you guys to show you our little how-to, or maybe we should just say it's not a how-to, but it's a how we built this retaining wall on this slope so we could get a level spot here down close to our pond rather than building the house all the way up at the top of the hill.
To start off, you can see we've excavated the site and I dug a trench about a foot deep. Here I'm just taking a plate compactor. This I picked up from the local tool rental place, and I'm just compacting the bottom of the trench. I don't know if this step was important or not, but after that, then we'll go ahead and spread some gravel. Then after the gravel's down, we'll rake it out and go over it with the compactor again and make sure everything is nice and level. To keep everything straight as we build, we stretch a line out, and this will be the back line, the back of our wall. With our first timber down, we can check and make sure that it's level, both left, right, front, and back. Once we know it's good to go, we can give the camera a thumbs up, and of course, that's going to be out of frame. Good job. Tappy tap tap. Walkie walk walk. Now it's lined up. Let's go ahead and pound some rebar in. Every timber on this first course got some rebar. You can see it walk in there. I'm going to double check and make sure it stays on the string. 2 pieces of rebar for each one. Okay, cool. About 28 more. We'll be on our way. With 2 courses done, we laid down some landscape fabric behind the wall and then fit this perforated pipe inside of the landscape fabric, and then we'll encase that pipe in some gravel and fold the fabric in on top. And basically we're just going to keep adding gravel as we build up the wall to assist with drainage. With 2 courses done, we need to start thinking about our supports. We're using these dead man supports, so we need to assemble those. Ours are 4 feet long, and the little T that comes off of it is 2 feet long, using 10-inch spikes to put it together. We'll show you how these go on the wall here in a minute. Throughout this project, Stacy has been wearing boots that we got from Hycia, and we're trying these boots out. So far, she likes them, and they're a hiking style boot, so it's supportive enough to wear for a variety of farm jobs. I got a pair of boots too. I'm still breaking them in. I'll update you on those in a future video. Next up here, we need to dig out a spot for our support that Stacy just built. And the dead man basically goes back into the earth behind the wall, and then the backfill on top of it holds it in place, and it becomes an integrated part of the wall. Because this is an important part of the wall, we want to make sure it's good and level. So we spent a little bit of time digging, making sure it's just right. We don't show it here, but this will get attached to the wall with 2 spikes as well. Starting our next course with a half-length beam, we're going to offset the beams from the course below, and now we're going to dig in another dead man here closer to the end of the wall, and basically every 2 beams on every course we're going to install another dead man. So there's one here, and then we'll put down 2 more beams and we'll put another one. One thing we figured out as we went along is if you flip the dead man supports over, like you can see there in the frame, you don't have to do nearly as much digging, and they're a lot easier to level. We laid down our timbers with a 1/2-inch stagger. It gives the wall a little bit of a stair-step effect.
Well, there you go, guys. That's an 80-foot long, almost 4-foot high retaining wall out of 6x6 timbers. Total DIY job for someone with minimal construction experience. Getting it done took several days, took a little while. Thankful for the family that helped out, the friends that helped out a little bit. If you got any questions or comments about this project, leave them below and I'll answer what I can. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.